She back or whatever. Happy New Year, girl! Yes! We made it to 2020. Girl, congratulations. Even if you're a man. Girl, congratulations though. Let's get into this video. So yes, Google is going to be picking my eyeshadow. And I'm a little scared because the two palettes that I have picked, I love. I love one more than the other. And I know that because I have put that out there in the universe that Google's going to do me dirty and pick the palette that I really don't want to use. But we're going to manifest, okay? This is 2020. Manifest good thoughts, okay? Good vibes only. Okay. So these are the two. I'm being so dramatic, but girl, it wouldn't be me if I wasn't dramatic. Okay. Anyways, these are the two palettes I'll be using. This is the Magic palette by Juvia's Place and the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. So here is what the Magic palette looks like. This is the large one. I know Juvia's Place makes miniature versions of both of these. I think so. Not too sure. There we go. Really pretty. And I'm sure once I show you the second one, I'm sure you know which one I would want to get for this challenge. So yeah, can you tell I really like that brown? Whoops. So yeah, so here's a side-by-side. Magic palette, Masquerade palette. So yeah, I'm sure you can tell I would prefer to get the Masquerade palette because there's just more cohesiveness with this palette than the Magic palette. So I already have the number generator ready on my phone. And what? Oh, sorry. So this palette is going to be 1 and this palette is going to be 2. So 1, 2. I have it set. So let's see. Did it do it? Oh, it did. Okay. Okay, cool. I got 2. So if I messed it up, I'm sorry. I am nearsighted. Nearsighted. Yeah, so I can't. Alright, so now I'm going to set the parameters. And then, okay, go away. Thank you. So now, say I have 1 to 16. Did it focus? Yeah, 1 to 16. And let's see what we get. You have 16. Okay, so that is a Fulani, which is absolutely amazing. That is a matte brown, which will be perfect for the crease. So I'm just going to take a little piece of tape and put it right there next to Fulani so I know which eyeshadows I need to be using. I don't know how many to pick. I guess I'll just pick like maybe 6. And then if I use all of them, cool. If I don't, but I still have to obviously use the ones that I picked. So we'll say 6. Alright, so let's try again. 4. 4 is Zola, which is a very pretty, almost teal, kind of green, oceany, really pretty color. Next color is 2. Oh my gosh. The next color, right here, is Molly. I have 3 colors down and 3 colors to go. Sorry, trying not to do a glare. 16 again. Oh, I'm gonna try again. Hello. Okay, 11. Alright, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What? Hold on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Oh, great. It's Cairo. This is Cairo right here. This color, Cairo and Bori, right here, this pink one and this one right here, I do not like in this palette because it's a matte eyeshadow with shimmer in it. I know that kind of sounds weird, like it's not matte if it has shimmer in it. But trust me, the base of the eyeshadow is matte, and once you apply it, it's really pretty. But when you blend it out, girl, the shimmers have left this chat, okay? They're like, we gotta go. We have an appointment somewhere else, okay? Alright, so 4 down, 2 to go. 10, which is Burkina. That right there, Burkina. Our last one. Make it good, Google. Make it good. Make it good. Please make it good. 5. Oh, okay, but how am I gonna make this work? Oh my gosh, it is Makita, right here. When I come back, I will have one eye already done because I really don't know what I'm going to be doing because I have 3/4 shimmers that I'm working with, so pray for me, sis. this is the look. I Google did me dirty. Like, I know what I said before, like, it could be worse, but yes, it could be worse. It definitely could be worse. Oh, to address the elephant in the room, yes, I am wearing a bib, but I'm wearing the, what's it called, beat bib. There we go. My mom gave it to me for Christmas. I get started before I forget again. I am using a different base. I'm using the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. I had to switch to this because I ran out of my NYX eyeshadow base, the one that I've been using for years. I don't know if it's because I put several people onto that eyeshadow base, but I don't appreciate going to Ulta and seeing that all of it is gone. All of it. There was none in stock. Now, mind you, the rest of the NYX stand is fully stocked. But the one thing I came in there that I really, really needed, nowhere to be found. I don't appreciate that. So I had to get the next best thing. And I like the color of it. Now, I will say, girl, this stuff is like concrete. You need to work with this either really, really fast or one eye at a time. Because, girl, you put this down, it will dry in that place. And it's very hard to blend out. So, especially if you're going to do under eyes with this, one at a time. One spot here, go to the next spot. Don't put this all over your face and then go to blend it out and then stay right there in that little dot. Don't do it. So, yeah, this is in the color C8. That's what it looks like. And again, this is the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour in the color C8. Alright, so they're both eyes. Not done yet because I need an inner corner highlight, which I forgot to do in the beginning of the video. So I'm going to choose between Giza and Dahia. So that's Giza or Giza and Dahia. I've already set up the number generator. So Giza, the top one is going to be 1, and Dahia, which is the bottom, is going to be 2. So here we go. Hopefully it's in focus. I can't really see because everything is out of focus because I can't see. But, well. Did I push it? Did it do it? Okay. I think it did. I think it gave me 1. It wasn't on 1 already? I don't know. But anyways, so that is Giza or Giza right here. You see it. Girl! Look, just... Wait. Okay, my bad. Look at me. Look at my face. Look at my talent, my skills. That highlight. This lip. Girl. She did that. I can just get... keep this off my lip gloss. Anyways, that's why I don't really wear lip gloss. Anyways, look at the... shock and awe. Let me give you a close-up. So there are the eyes with lashes. And I will definitely put on the screen which lashes I used. And I will admit, that I did use some glitter on my inner corner because the shimmers in the palette, they not hitting. And my inner corner was looking really dull and it was muddy, and it kept mixing with like my foundation, concealer, and powder and just all that. Even when I applied some more eyeshadow on top of it, it wasn't hitting, you know? The flavor, it wasn't there. So I was like, I don't want to use from an eyeshadow from a different palette because, technically that would be cheating. So I just used this silver glitter that I got from Amazon. For highlight, I used MAC's pigment in the color Melon. I absolutely love this pigment. It's amazing. Lips, I used NYX's dark brown pencil. Or NYX's dark... You heard me. NYX's dark brown pencil. And then for lipstick, it is very broken. This is the color Exclusive by Makeup Revolution. As you can see, it's a mess. And yes, it broke off. I got it in the mail broken because I got this lipstick in a mystery bag that they sent with my order. So I just put the remainder of the lipstick in the cap. But I absolutely love this combination on its own. These two, such a pretty combination. And then on top of that, just to like switch it up a little bit, because why not? Because I have all this lip gloss and I don't even use it. This is the MAC, there's an eyelash on it, MAC Lip Glass in the color See-Through. Really pretty, very light beigey concealer color. With that being said, it is 2020, okay? This is the year of y'all drinking more water and taking your vitamins.